Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Turtle Beach Sleek 600 is not playing any audio, it can be caused by the wrong settings or connection issues or device conflicts. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step across PS5, Xbox and your PC. So first of all, you need to make sure that your system is sending the audio to the headset. So on your console or on your PC, you just have to go to the audio settings. So here currently, let's say I'm on my PC. So I'm inside my system settings. So here click on the option of system, then select the option of sound. When you are here, you need to simply select your headset as your default output device. Also, you need to ensure that the volume is not muted and it is also not set too low. If it is too low, you can just simply increase it by using this particular slider over here. So this is the simple step, but it solves many cases instantly. Now, if after doing this, the audio is still missing, you can just simply move to the connection side. For that, you just have to simply reset the connection. In order to do it, turn off your headset and then turn it back on, then reconnect it to your console or your USB adapter. For wireless models, you can re-enter into the pairing mode and reconnect it properly. This particular step also refreshes the links between the devices. Now you need to also check the game and the chat balance on your headset. If the mix is shifted completely to the chat or the game, you may not hear anything. So you can adjust the dial to balance both the audio channels properly. Also verify in the system settings that both the game and the chat audios are enabled. Finally, you can also check for the firmware updates using your PC if it is supported. So you can try all of these fixes and see if the audio issue is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.